crypto markets. This stream is interactive. You can ask there any question you want and put your question in the comment section or into the chat. And also, if you have any requests about any market, we will look at it. It could be whatever market you want, even stocks or futures, forex. But please, if you can focus on cryptocurrencies because now cryptocurrencies are very hot markets in the moment and definitely nice opportunities to spot. Just fast introduction who I am. I am Marek. I've been trading professionally full time for 2 years. Before I, let's say, had experience in trading for more than 5 years. Also, if you are more familiar with us, you know that we are traders who trade everything what can move. Actually, we trade stocks, futures, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Also, we put more valuable content on the internet to our social media channels like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Definitely check us. Go through the links on YouTube channels and or any media, and you will find more about us. We put there also articles and like professionals think about the market, or also some technical breakdown of our trades with real money and with real results. We also put there regularly our weekly results from different markets. Usually we picked one field and then we show you the results from that, and we focus on consistency, let's say. So definitely nice source of information and so on. Also, if you like this stream, please hit the like button there. And if you find, in general, our content valuable, please share it with anybody who would find it valuable also. And for us, it's very important that we can push our clients or let's say people who follow us to new level of proficiency in trading. So this was really fast interaction, and also one thing. And if you are more interested in our trading, just go to our webinar, and there we present more about our trading, our techniques of trading, and it's very interesting. I believe we go there into our nuances, patterns, and you can ask there any question you want. It's only for you, and we dedicate this time for clients. Meanwhile, we are also trading. So this is it, and let's go directly to our analytics. So first of all, let's look at Bitcoin. You know that uh, we had analysis last week, and as you see, I was talking about that Bitcoin is going to break this important level, this one, and because of the order flow structure and what was happening there. Let's look at it. I like again that market was not able to retest its swing high in the moment, and we were still flying high, and this also here. So in the end, market just break with this movement. We anticipated acceleration of the movement, of course, because after this accumulation, uh, there is obvious probabilities of that. In the moment, what I, let's say, anticipating is that we should see another push to this important key result level, and I will look at this on daily level. Let's look what I am talking about. So we've seen the point where actually Bitcoin starts pumping even more and accelerated. So this is also place of another consolidation in the moment, very important level. What we believe is going to happen, and there are also high probabilities from statistical, let's say, data that there should be also another push to this level to retest the price around $12,000. As you see here, starting here, this is our resistance zone, and also we are seeing nice volume here. So again, high probabilities that market in the end should hold this trend line and should try to push to this level again, then I would see, or let's say I would wait for the reaction. But also there are probabilities that market could rebound from this level and go back to this consolidation place, as you see, which is I believe or is going to be balance zone for a while. If market is not able to hold above this level, then I believe that is high probability that market could go directly to this level. So this is our point of view of Bitcoin. We do analysis based on what is happening on the markets, but in the middle term, we are anticipating a strong uptrend again and strong pushes, and also if there will be enough volume, we should see also we should see acceleration of the movement itself, and it's also possible that the market will hit 20,000 all-time high very soon. Depends. Also, we are going to have summer period in the moment, so we'll see also how traders will react on that. Usually, during summer, markets are a little bit calmer because traders are on their vacations or traveling around the world. This case won't be for us because we are going to stay here and trade whatever is going to offer in the world. So we will see what will happen there. So let's look at general capital movement, this exponential movement is going to happen again on Bitcoin because and altcoins are a little bit slower. So again, the same scenario we are waiting when Bitcoin movement will slow down a little bit. Should be some stabilization or low correction in the moment. This is really nice opportunity to trade altcoins. Depends on the fundamental also of the altcoins and also on the capitalization. If the capitalization will be enough, we believe that first coins which should be pumped are the bigger ones, the known ones with the higher capitalization, and then we can also speculate on lower cap coins based on also more fundamentals or pump scenarios. But we do not trade pump itself, but we just let's say anticipate some fundamental behind which should uh, let's say increase the price. Okay, also if you look on the volume, we're in the resistance levels on altcoin capitalization, and you see that altcoins in the moment just hit this resistance level on altcoin capitalization. It is the blue one. Orange one, as mentioned, is Bitcoin, and also resistance of Bitcoin you see here from point of capitalization here. Really important zone, and we will see how the Bitcoin is able to hold this, or let's say how much time it will take to go through this important resistance level. Okay. I will also look at able to go through this resistance level, and I would like to see this, let's say, this reversal, but it didn't happen in the end. Even that there was low volume, but you see that market hold this trend line, which was the key at the moment. I was talking about that, and also what also I was talking about that altcoins against the US dollar. This is not our short coins for trading. We would like to short BTC pairs. In this case, there was no signal for us, of course, but for me, this trade was much more riskier. And from point of movement, it's better in the moment to trade Bitcoin or stay in the position with Bitcoin. And yeah, this is main reason why I would like to stay here. Also, let's look at Litecoin in the moment. Also, I was talking about two scenarios that altcoin should hold this trend line and should break it with the volume. And in the end, if the market is able to, let's say, establish this kind of pattern there, in this case we would like to go long, but it didn't happen in the end. And in this case, we would like to go with this green second scenario in line with this level. In the moment, also we've seen this important level here, which also can be a nice place to provide liquidity for smarter money. So for me, this is, let's say, Litecoin situation. Wait for this pullback to this level, and then we should see some fractal here or some price action pattern you would like to trade with proper timing and statistic cover your overall profitability. So for me, this is also a nice scenario to be traded in the moment, and definitely I don't put there alert. So let's put it right here. Perfect. And let's look at another market, and let's check, for example, Ripple. The moment as we were talking, it's very important that Ripple is to able to hold above this important resistance level. As you see, the moment is able to hold with the movement and go in line with this trend line. Definitely this is really nice timing with Bitcoin. After Bitcoin will be stabilized, just we are going to smash the high cap coins, of course, very fast. Ethereum, as mentioned, and why you should like be more trading BTC pair, because you see that even Ethereum pair against US dollar was rising. In the end, the pair against Bitcoin is going down. So there is more dynamic in the moment on Bitcoin. Don't trade altcoins if you like, if you are not just crypto trader. I would like to, let's say, put my focus also on different markets, not just crypto, and in the moment focus more on Bitcoin until it's stabilized. Then we will also open trades on altcoins for sure. For example, today we traded also stocks. We traded. Uh, let's. I will just quickly check. But today I traded two stocks, and also I traded on futures, and also we are checking some situation on forex in the moment. So I'm just checking some question if there is. So let's look at Litecoin and the same. Last week I shared with you the analysis of this impulsive level here that market could react on that with fractal, and we could open long position. But again, technically it looks nice, but we need to wait for Bitcoin stabilization, and after that the capital will be stabilized on altcoins. Then we can trade also these pairs, which will be very interesting at that time. So I believe for me this is all in the moment. So again, if there is no question, thank you for watching. Also, I believe that you find this content very valuable, and if you would like to see more why we are, for example, selecting Litecoin, because there is there is in August halving, which also uh, can be interesting for the movements. So this is also there are also more fundamentals and news behind picking certain coins. So also if you are interested in that, we can talk about it, of course. And also we are in connection with people around technical stuff from different coins. So really nice to have this news cover us in that case of speculation. So again, thank you for watching, and also if you are interested more about how we trade stocks, futures, crypto, definitely go to our webinar, which will be which will provide to you information about our nuances, patterns, and much more if you want. Uh, you can ask there any question in that case, and I will be happy to answer you there. Also, definitely go to our social media channels. Again, we put there really interesting information for your trading, like how we trade with real money, and what are the results. Also, we put there a breakdown of our trades, why we open trades here and here included. So really interesting stuff for your trading and not just talking, but also trading. Really nice. So I believe this is all for today. And thank you again for watching and seeing you at another stream, I believe tomorrow about stocks. Meanwhile, take the best trades on cryptocurrencies.